Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
With all Outlook folders, you can set auto-archiving options. Auto-archiving allows you to automatically move messages from the specified folder to an archive folder or delete them from your specified folders after a set period of time has elapsed. Auto-archiving reduces the number of items that Outlook will have to process when it opens a folder. It also reduces the amount of needed storage space in the Exchange server for item storage. Auto-archiving will also perform this automatically, reducing the amount of time that you must spend manually archiving your items. To set auto-archiving on a folder, you need to view the folder's properties. You can right-click on the folder for which you wish to set auto-archiving, and then select the Properties command from the pop-up menu that appears to access the folder's Properties dialog box. Here you can click the Auto Archive tab to set the auto-archiving features of the folder. You have three options that you can set. Do not archive items in this folder, archive items in this folder using the default settings, or archive this folder using these settings. If you want to set the default auto-archiving behavior, then you can click the Default Archive Settings button to launch the Auto Archive dialog box. Here you can set how often you wish to archive by changing the number in the Run Auto Archive Every X number of days checkbox. You can also check or uncheck whether you want a prompt before Auto Archive runs. In the During Auto Archive section, you can set any other default options for auto archiving that you want. You can choose to turn off or on the ability to delete expired items in email folders only, archive or delete old items, and show archive folder in the folder list. In the default folder settings for archiving section, you can set the duration of time in the Clean Out Items Older Than line, and then choose what to do with the old items. You can either move them to a personal folder file, or just permanently delete them by choosing whichever option you want. If you do choose to move the items, then click the Browse button and select the personal folder that you want to use to store the old items. When you're finished setting the auto-archiving defaults, you can apply them to all of the folders in Outlook by clicking the button for Apply these settings to all folders now. You can simply set the defaults by simply clicking the OK button. If you selected the Archive this folder using these settings choice on the Auto Archive tab, you can then specify when to clean the folder and what to do with the old items, just as you did when you set the archiving defaults. However, these settings would only affect the currently selected folder. And when you're done, simply click the OK button to set the auto-archiving properties for the selected folder.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.